Bitcoin metric predicts a macro low of $35,000 for BTC next. As long-term data continues to align with previous bear markets, one trader cautions Bitcoin market participants to avoid acting emotionally. According to research, Bitcoin is exhibiting classic macro bottom indications in a bear market where business as usual is the norm. In today's video, we will learn about how the Bitcoin metric predicts a macro low of $35,000 for BTC next. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Popular Twitter trader Alan stated that the price behavior of BTC is closely resembling previous cycles in recent findings, published on October 13th. "Don't be shaken out," says the trader on stock data. While some people are worried about the health of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets right now, on-chain indications have long indicated that the bear market of 2022 would be consolingly similar to earlier ones. Allen drew attention to the fact that the structure of the 2014 and 2018 bear markets was repeated by Bitcoin, while looking at the one-month stochastic chart for BTC/USD. Stochastic oscillators are well-known instruments for spotting market cycles and the interaction of bullish and negative trends. With monthly low stochastic readings precisely matching bear market price floors, Bitcoin has demonstrated that it is not an exception. Stock can be used to predict where Bitcoin may bottom in the future, in addition to predicting an impending new macro BTC price low. A much-needed bright spot. Stock behavior and similar phenomena may comfort traders who have watched as Bitcoin has fallen up to 75% from its all-time highs in the past 11 months. When examining short-term BTC price action, there doesn't seem to be much to be confident about because popular sources maintain that the bottom has not yet been reached. There aren't many optimists, but one of them is well-known analyst Philip Swift. He thinks that 2022 bear market should end up being just that before the end of the year. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.